It's 6 a.m. President Droupadi Murmu sets out for her morning walk in Rashtrapati Bhavan's Amrit Udyan. Her day begins at the crack of dawn with a 2-hour-long meditation session. Then it's time for a brisk walk. The Rashtrapati Bhavan compound is spread across 330 acres, and this sprawling garden covers nearly half of the compound. President Murmu covers almost 2 kilometers of this green splendor every day. President Murmu then gets ready for the day, crossing the stage corridor into her study. This is where she carries out her duties. From signing important documents to hosting dignitaries. Adjacent to her study is the North Court entry. Only 5 people, the Prime Minister, Vice President, Chief Justice of India, former Presidents of India and the Speaker of the Lok Sabha have access to this entry.